Hello there. In this video, we are going to show you how you are supposed to register or log in for your Cimea application correctly. Please find a link in the description of the video and click on it. It will take you to this page. Here you are supposed to click on Cimea Diplomi link. This is a link that has been provided by Sapienza University. If you apply through this link, your application will get processed within 10 days. You can see there is a tag of Sapienza in the link. Apply with this link, you will get your Cimea comparability certificate within 5 to 10 days. Otherwise, it will take 30 days with normal charges. Go ahead and click on create new account. Enter your name, surname and an email address that you want to register with. Once you have registered, you will receive an activation email. Click on that activation email. Now go ahead and log in with the email and the password that you received in the activation email. That's it, you have registered and logged in for your Cimea application. I will mention again. If you apply through this link, you will get your Cimea comparability certificate within 5 to 10 days. Otherwise, you will get late for your Cimea comparability certificate and you won't be able to apply for your scholarship. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.